Explosion of the week.
Hi and welcome to Explosion of the Week number 6. Just like to say, we have a fan submitted clip. You guys are all welcome to submit clips if you would like to be in the series, so don't forget. And this is our first submission by a fan. His gamer tag's Body Piles. It's in the description, and throws a little C4 and oh, triple kill, car bomb. Yeah. Look at that, boom. He plays a little catch here, back and forth. Here's one clip by me. Really, if you have to see this. It could have been much bigger than that. This grenade went in an amazing spot. If it went a little bit slower, maybe just maybe, it would have got like a quad kill, but it's a pretty nice triple kill. I mean, look at this. So I throw the grenade, here it goes, out of my hand. Really far. Not really that far, but look at them, all there. At the flag. It was perfect. I was amazed that it only got a triple kill. After I was like, oh cool, triple kill, I should record that. But then I realized, like, wow, this had the potential to be a much bigger multi-kill. Look at that, boom. Ah, wow. And there was actually another explosion right after mine. But yeah, that was pretty nasty. Triple kill. And for our last explosion, we have from Giants Fan, the co-head of Gaming Grunts, getting a grenade launch headshot. So, there he goes, shooting it out. And you have to notice, like, there's always that pause. I don't know if you saw it before. Just pause and just like, oh, I think that's something amazing that just happened. I'm gonna pause, and then he dies. Let's all laugh at Giants Fan. Ha ha. Yeah. Well, alright, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. And see you guys next time. Enjoy.